Oh, Scott, I love you.
I love you too, Erica.
Ooh. You need a Tic Tac.
I don't have one.
Ah. Nen. Hey, Emily. Hey, Julia. Hey. I hate guys. Us too.
Hey, I'm Nico.
And I'm JJ Frank. And we're watching horse races. Yay! I love you.
Well, go somewhere else.
Hi. I'm the Indian child. I like to love people. Go! I'm JJ Ray. My Indian name
is Mosquito.
Why is that?
Because I hurt people like mosquitoes. Ha 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 ha.
Shower starting. Shower starting. The water's cold. Warming. Much better, thanks. La la la, la la la.
Towel! Nico, darling! Yes, Mama. I signed you up for surgical camp. That way you could get another leg. But I like my one leg. Oh no! Mommy! What's it called when you like, can't move?
Limbs, your limbs are missing.
No. I'm a
Quad.
no, it's a food. I'm a potato.
A vegetable.
You mean crippled, stupid?
I'm a vegetable. Mommy, help, help, help. Nico. Michael Jackson. Hi, little boy. My mommy told me not to talk to strangers. I like vegetables.
This is like Playboy.
Let's go back to my place for some fun. I don't talk to strangers.
That thing talks. No, this thing talks.
It does?
Yeah.
It doesn't have
Press
any
it.
batteries.
It's having batteries. Mommy, help! He rolls because he can't walk. Because he's a vegetable.
What happened to TT?
My name is Ashley.
What happened
and
to TT in the elevator?
TT. I don't know where he is. Okay.
It's over here.
I'm gonna. Oh no! The big dog! TT!
Where?
Kobe! Get back inside! I have to find Katie! My name is Katie! Yes!
Stop. Okay.
Yeah, wait a second.
Nico, where are you?
I'm really
I'm a vegetable! I'll come find you.
4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Right now?
Yeah.
Nico! Stupid phone! Nico! What's happened to you? You should kneel down. On the vegetable. I am going to prom. Prom. Okay. Down the elevator. Where'd that little kid go? Oh no!
Tay-Tay, it's almost on the elevator.
Oh no! Why is it? Wait. Why is the elevator jammed? It's not going. No, Katie! Katie, come out! Hold on. Katie! Come out! Mother!
6 minutes.
The game's frozen.
Prom! Vegetables! Nico! Girl! Mosquitoes! Ooh, Scott. Tic Tacs. Where'd Scott go? Wait, get out of the way. Ask! Vegetables! Michael Jackson! Scott, where's the mother?
Where's Tay-Tay?
Secrets are fun! And when you open secrets, yay! We are family! Send in the beast!
Okay, so
Can you cut the...
our actor.
Actually,